Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use ConvertKit for email marketing in 2025. Now, ConvertKit, which is rebranded as Kit, is one of the most popular tools for creators, helping you grow your audience and send the emails that actually convert. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for kit.com. Once you are here on the official website of ConvertKit, which is now kit.com, you need to simply click on the option of Start Free Trial. Then you need to sign up here with the help of your email account. So once you have done that, you will come here inside the dashboard of your ConvertKit account. Now over here, the first thing that you need to do is to simply set up your profile with your business name, your email address and niche. Afterwards, when you click on the option of grow here on the top, you can select the option of landing pages. Over here, click on the option of create new in the bottom right hand corner. Then select you want to create a landing page. Once you do this, you are going to see a bunch of different templates that you can simply click on the choose option and select it. So let's say I want to choose this one. So I'm going to be clicking on choose over here. After doing this, you are going to see the template editor. So here you can add as many pages as you want, and you can also make changes into the text, color and images. So you can do it as per your brand. For this video, I'm going to keep it as it is and click on the option of save and publish in the top right hand corner of the screen. Now once you do this, it is going to show you the landing page link. So you can copy it from here and start promoting it on your social media. With the help of this dashboard, you are going to see basically all of the reports and all of the emails that you received. So you can also click on the option of start writing and start using it for further assistance. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.